Have you ever noticed that when you stop texting someone back, or give them a bit of silence, suddenly they start missing you, caring more, or even chasing you? It almost feels like magic, but it's not. There's actual psychology behind why ignoring works so effectively in relationships. Let's break it down, the real reason ignoring works, and when it doesn't. When you ignore someone, you're not just withholding attention, you're triggering something much deeper in their brain. Humans crave attention and validation. When we don't get it, our mind goes into alert mode. Why aren't they responding? Did I do something wrong? Are they losing interest? This creates uncertainty, and uncertainty is powerful. It activates the reward system in the brain, the same system that gets triggered by gambling or social media likes. When we finally get the attention back, it feels like a reward. That's why the person suddenly values your attention more than before. Psychology tells us that when something becomes less available, its value increases. It's the same reason limited editions sell fast or why we want what we can't have. When you're always available in a relationship, you seem predictable and easy to get. But when you pull back, your presence suddenly feels rare. That scarcity makes the other person rethink your worth. They start realizing your time and attention weren't guaranteed. But here's the truth, ignoring only works if it's done with self-respect, not ego. You're not ignoring to punish someone or play mind games. You're simply stepping back to regain balance. So, the real reason ignoring works in relationships isn't because it's a trick. It's because attention is powerful, and when you take it away, people realize its worth. Sometimes, silence speaks louder than words. Share with someone who needs to hear this. This is Psych Lens, where we view every aspect of life through the lens of psychology.